Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to get first name and last name. Here is a student full name you can see here, and I want to get only first name from this name. Just select all your data first and press Ctrl H. Now find and replace dialog box will appear. Find what in find what tab you have to type space steric because I want to find space and afterward and replace with blank. Just click replace all. It will replace all the space and afterward into blank, and you will get only first name. This is a very good technique to get the first name. Just press Ctrl Z for undo. Now I want to get only last name. How can we get only last name? Just select all your data and press Ctrl H again. Now type the asterisk first because I want to find first name, and press space, first name and space, and replace with blank, and click replace all. You will get only last name from this trick. This is a very good technique to get the last name. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.